Okay, so it's Blade the Wolf. We finally got another video, and I am excited to show you um a song performed by him, aka performed by my computer, because he is plugged into my computer and that power supply. Um, so we were gonna bring this animatronic to a show a while back, or just like a little school event thing. But I wasn't able to get it working in time, or like fully working. The neck was the problem. I added the neck piece and I couldn't get it fully working. And I had like a long list of shows that I was supposed to animate for that, and I'm about to play one of the songs that was supposed to be played, and it is Animals by Nickelback. I think it's Nickelback, whatever. It's by somebody. I'm pretty sure. Okay, enjoy the show.
I think there's no one else is where we are, and now it's when she started screaming, that's when that I'm on the car. Oh, please, the keys, the knobs, the ignition, must have dropped it from the floor while we were switching the position. I guess they knew that she was missing as they tried to tell us that it was a mom that I was skipping, screaming, no, never gonna quit, ain't nothing wrong with it, just got to love forever. No, no matter where we go, 'cause everybody knows we're just a couple animals.
Woo! Okay, so I'm not sure if you could tell if the mouth was moving or not. It's kind of hard without an upper jaw to go off of. But if I just unplug both of the bottom servos, so it'll just sit there. The mouth was moving. Oh wait, I should start where the words start. Oh. Okay, the mouse was moving. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you later.